Welcome to this quick video explaining what is included in our Caravan and Motorhome care kits. Starting with our basic Caravan and Motorhome cleaning kit, you get a 1 litre bottle of our popular high foam cleaner concentrate and a 1 litre bottle of our protective seal and shine. If you also need some cleaning accessories, opt for our complete cleaning kit. This includes our super absorbent drying towel, 5 microfiber cloths, a sponge, and a useful detailing brush for getting into those hard-to-reach places. For a comprehensive cleaning solution, the Advanced Complete Cleaning Kit is the one to buy. In addition to the complete kit, you also get our popular Spirit Glass Cleaner and our plastic and rubber spray to add the finishing touches to your clean. If you want to go down the ceramic protection route, try our Caravan and Motorhome ceramic shampoo and spray kit. Included is a 1 litre bottle of ceramic shampoo and a 750 milliliter ceramic spray bottle. If you need some cleaning accessories to go with those two, opt for our ceramic shampoo and spray complete kit. This also includes our super absorbent drying towel, 5 microfiber cloths, a sponge, and a useful detailing brush for getting into those hard-to-reach places. Finally, please check out our Caravan and Motorhome awning and tent care kit. This includes a 500 milliliter bottle of cleaner, an application brush, a scrubbing brush, and, after cleaning, a 500 milliliter bottle of waterproofer.